You know, for Paulo Cruzada anyway, I talk with J. Rick Silva. Oh, you want to be happen like Kian De Los Santos. For me, I do not want to harass anybody. Paulo Cruzada. Do not attack Teacher May. Thanks to Giovanni's impact, I said to him, you have to respect the teachers. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, do not attack the other teachers in CDIFI, even um, teacher May, teacher Marisa, even teacher Riza, even teacher Chris, even teacher Jessa, and teacher Lendel. At least you didn't add teacher Joy there, Paulo Cruzada. You do not know her, or you didn't add teacher Vincent, or teacher Gio, or even teacher Kel, including teacher Lara. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, you're the one who harassing teacher Kel. You say about gasain, or what you say before. I talked with J. Rick Silva at the time. I heard all the screenshot from Paulo Cruzada, from Joseph Maspinas. He said that gasain ko si Teacher Kel. What is the problem about Teacher Kel, Paulo Cruzada? What is the problem that you want to rape Teacher Kel? She's not here in the Philippines. She's in the US. Teacher Kel was in the US. She is married to Eskel Penumbra. What will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada, if you are being harassed to anybody, even Teacher Kel? For example, Paulo Cruzada, if Teacher Kel's mother had file you a cases against you, you will be blotter by police. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, look at yourself. Oh, at least I didn't tell that to Ate Mel. Oh, if I report to Ate Mel anyway, if I call in the telephone, you will get blotter. Oh, at least you didn't add Ate Mel Canete in group chat. Oh, if Ate Mel was there, she will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. At least I talked to Ramon Jose. I just chat with him. Ramon, you better to block Paulo Cruzada. You tell Jordan Bunagan and Manuel Luis Antonio. Oh, you better to see all the screenshots that what does Paulo Cruzada is saying. For what you did to Teacher May, you're the one who harassed her. Oh, now you see, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May had reported to Ate Pura, and she messaged to Miguel Bonono in Facebook, even Messenger. I say again to Miguel Bonono, oh, that was using by Ate Pura. Oh, Ate Pura, do not talk to Paulo Cruzada. Oh, he always attack me. Oh, he said it. In what you said in Filipino, wag mo kausapin yan si Paulo Cruzada. Lagi ako inaatake. Oh, like what he attacks me, he attacks reputation. Oh, I will not gonna tolerate his toleration. I will not going to I will not going to accept his behavior. What? Yes. That's not mine, that's for Lexine.
Hindi yan sa akin.
I already ate my bread. Wait. I already ate my bread. Oh. Alright, let's continue. And not even just that, like I say to Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. You know, Teacher May, she's very retired. I've been talking with J. Rick Silva about the issue of Paulo Cruzada. Oh, some of his friends, he messaged him in Messenger. Nahuli ba ba si Paulo Cruzada? I and he said that hindi pa. Oh, you remember that? The ones that you were being blotter, Paulo Cruzada, you will be blotter by police. Not me, this is not really my fault. Oh, it's not really J-Rick's fault. It is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. Even you, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, both of you are attacking anybody. And you get trauma with, both of you are just trying to get, both of you are trying to trauma Joseph Maspinas. What's the problem to all those three idiots? And Paulo Cruzada, you should not attack anybody. First of all, you had Matthew Timbal in group chat. And when Matthew Timbal read the messages from Paulo Cruzada in group chat in Messenger, Matthew said, who's Paulo Cruzada? Oh, that was a friend of Miggy Labitag. I asked Matthew Timbal, oh, that's former student of Teacher May who's attacking anybody. Oh, I asked Matthew Timbal, just block Paulo Cruzada. Oh, just block him. You know, this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. You're attacking anybody. And first of all, you make sexual harassment with Shania Kiana. What was I heard that Paulo Cruzada said, hubarin mo ang mga saplot mo, Shania Kiana. That's the word. What is wrong with you? You do not know what is the Anti-Safe Space Act, Paulo Cruzada, which was signed by Rodrigo Duterte in 2019, or also known as Bawal ng Bastos. You are very stubborn. That's why J-Rick says to you, Paulo Cruzada, matigas ang ulo mo. Oh, that's why, you know, like I said before, when I talked to Johannes Impact, he said to me, oh, when I talked to in TikTok Live, Johannes Impact, oh, he said to me, oh, that Paulo Cruzada needs to rehab. He needs to rehab to therapy. He needs a therapy because his mother, Mrs. Marian Cruzada, he didn't teach us by his parents. He didn't teach by, for example, his mother. His mother, anyway, he didn't raise him up. Like I said, he didn't raise him up always. That is the real problem for those people who never been raised. Oh, for Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Have a shame to teacher May, teacher Marisa, teacher Riza, and even teacher Jessa and teacher Lendel, and including teacher Joy or teacher May Tiburcio. I'm ashamed to all of you, Paulo Cruzada, even your parents, even you you who add teacher Vincent, teacher Gio, teacher Kel, including you add uh, teacher Lara, and even 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 Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri, the Miss Earth title holders, you add them, and you add um Buddy Castro, Wawel Romero, Jens Manaid, you add them, even Ate Charmaine Aloyan, you add them in group chats, including Teacher Kel's husband, Eskel Penumbra. You add him in group chat. Now you see, Paulo Cruzada, Eskel Penumbra read the message from group chat and messenger, and you said you want to rape Teacher Kel. Duwag ka kasi, Paulo Cruzada. You're just like Antonio Trillanes. Or you're just like Hipolito. You want to rape who's Hipolito? You're just like Hipolito in Provinciano. You want to rape Teacher Kel? She's in America, Paulo Cruzada. How come you will see her in the Philippines? Would you ever get US visa, Paulo Cruzada? Huh? She's in US, Paulo Cruzada. How will you get there? I'm just saying, Even teacher Vincent and teacher Aiza Bancula, you harass them. You want to rape teacher Aiza Bancula? That was a friend of teacher Vincent, huh? Paulo Cruzada. If you rape her, you know what is your consequence. You will get sued. It is not nice, Paulo Cruzada, to harass anybody. Even you're harassing your former teachers in CDIFI. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. My mom had read this message. Because this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. You're the one who harassed Teacher May. You do not have mercy to that person. Like I said, you don't have a mercy to the person. You don't have a mercy to Teacher May for what you did. Paulo Cruzada, what will be happen to your parents if your parents died? You will be homeless person, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, pag nawala ng magulang mo, like I say again, Paulo Cruzada, magiging taong grasa ka, you know that. You know your you know, like I said before, oh, Teacher May will migrate to abroad. Oh, even Teacher Marisa will retire as a teaching in CDIFI. Oh, who will taking care of you? Oh, because this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. You never been raised by your parents. You're the one who bully Louis Texon. Oh, I told to J. Rick, oh, yang si Paulo Cruzada, binubuli niya si Louis Texon. Oh, you know what's really happened. Oh, pinagalitan siya ni Teacher Connie. Oh, Teacher Connie, reprimand you, Paulo Cruzada. That's not really nice. Oh, you know that. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you have to pay for all of your consequence. For what you did to Teacher May Tiburcio, for what you did to Joseph Maspinas. You know, like I said, dapat sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada, like what does J. Rick Silva said, ipakain kita sa Philippine Raptor. Even sa mga spedmotics, like what he said, oh, even his gang, oh, I have created my own gang, Paulo Cruzada, I got, Jude Goles, I got RM, I got Onyok, I have my own spedmotic gangs. Even other spedmotic gangs, including um, even Stefan Pimentel, he was part of my gang also. You know, Paulo Cruzada, what if you try to harass Jude Goles? Like I said, he will ramp you a vehicle. Even he got a Nissan X-Trail from his family, he will ramp you. That means sasagasaan kanya ng sasakyan, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, stop making a false statement about Teacher May, about Joseph Maspinas, that they have a car. They don't have a car, Paulo Cruzada. Like I say again, Joseph Maspinas, I was told by J. Rick Silva, is riding a bike to go to school in Davao City. Teacher May is always commute. She ride a jeep. She doesn't have a car. Also, both of them, Teacher May and Joseph Maspinas, they don't have driver's license. They don't have car. Joseph Maspinas is riding a bike. Teacher May is riding a jeep. They just commute. Joseph Maspinas is riding a bike. Teacher May is riding a jeep. She always commute. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Like I say again, Paulo Cruzada, I just wanna condemn your attitude. Like I said, inaano ka ba ni Teacher May? Inaano ka ba ni Joseph Maspinas? What the hell is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada?